Did you know your stomach growls even when it's not empty? That rumbling sound has a name. Borborygmi. It happens when your intestines contract and push air, gas, and liquid around, kind of like pipes in a house. When you're hungry, your brain tells your digestive system to clean itself out, making those contractions louder. That's why the growls seem to roar in silence. But here's the twist. Your stomach growls all day long, even after eating. You just don't hear it because food muffles the sound. So the next time your stomach rumbles in a quiet room, it's not just begging for food. It's your body's natural cleaning cycle at work. Cool, right?